Introduction to Automated Backups with Google Drive.
The aim of protecting your files is essential. Automating backups with Google Drive ensures your important data is always safe and up to date, without the hassle of manual uploads. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up scheduled backups so you can focus on your work, knowing your files are secure in the cloud.
Choosing a backup method.
There are several ways to automate backups to Google Drive. Popular methods include using Google's official software, such as Backup and Sync or Google Drive for desktop, and third-party tools. Your choice depends on factors like your operating system, backup needs, and whether you want to sync folders or schedule periodic backups.
Setting up Google Drive for desktop.
To get started, download and install Google Drive for desktop. Sign in with your Google account, then choose which folders on your computer you want to back up automatically. Select whether you want these folders to be synced to your My Drive or just backed up. The software runs in the background, doing the work for you.
Customizing backup settings.
Personalize your backup schedule and preferences. In the Settings menu, you can specify which folders to include, exclude specific file types, and choose between continuous syncing or scheduled backups. Adjust bandwidth settings if you want to control internet usage during big backups. These options help create a system that suits your needs.
Restoring and managing your backups.
Access your backups easily through Google Drive. On a web browser or using the Google Drive app, navigate to the backed up folders. You can restore files by downloading them or moving them as needed. Regularly review your backups to remove outdated data and ensure enough storage space for new files.
Tips for reliable backup automation.
Maintain backup reliability with a few simple habits. Periodically check that your backup software is running and syncing. Keep your Google account secure by enabling two-factor authentication. Be mindful of your drive's storage limits, and consider upgrading if needed. With these steps, your files will stay protected with minimal effort.